This is a brand new 2013 Dodge Charger. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission, a six-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include keyless ignition, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, air conditioning, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, a rear spoiler, and an auxiliary power outlet. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.